Hey guys, my name is Reverend Phoenix and this is drawing the human figure from your mind lesson 169. Okay, so now let's just go over the muscles that we put in. So we had 1, 2, 3 is hidden, 4, 5, then we have 6, 7, 8, 9, then buttocks was 10, then we had 11, 12. Okay, so now we're going to start to, we're done with the front over here of the thigh. We just need to come back here and just understand what happens a little bit over here where that knee is, and this is where we're going to get into those back muscles. So let's move all the way back here and just understand that, okay, well, from here where this was, right, it's hidden here in the buttocks area, so if that thing was here, from that point you're going to get one muscle here that we need to understand, and basically this muscle is just going to come down here. Okay, and he's going to be fairly close over here to where this femur is. It's going to be like this, and he comes here on the side and he attaches to the back over here. So meaning that he's going to be coming in like this, and he just attaches like so. Okay, so let's just erase and just understand this. So on top of him is going to be another muscle here. So just want to understand actually this area in here as to what goes on in here. Okay. So again, he's just coming in like this and going like so. And it becomes like these tendons again. Just like this. So he's like a muscle, muscle, muscle over here. Muscle, muscle, muscle over here. Okay, so that's what happens over there. So now let's understand, okay, well, what happens next is from this point here to where in the back it was, now you're going to get that kind of like considered a bicep of the leg here. And this muscle basically is just going to go from here, okay, but look where he starts to turn. Okay, so he's not turning from here so close. It's like you took this ball joint space here, put another one here, then you started to turn him, and he's going to end up here, and he's going to connect to the fibula over here. Okay, so he's pretty big over here, like so. So this space here is obviously covered by that other muscle that we were drawing, right? This guy right here, he's that side muscle that we drew over here. Okay, so this is going to give us that definition from the side here, and he's a muscle over here, just like this. Okay, and then he becomes a small tendon over here. So from this point you're going to get another muscle just like him, just like a bicep muscle, and he's going to do the same thing. He's going to go here and he's going to come around and go like this. So let's just erase a little bit over here. So really the understanding for that other muscle that we drew is knowing that he comes kind of over here, and this other muscle is going to be just like this. So you'll get like this back area exposed over here, like so. Okay, and this muscle is connecting to that point. So right when you draw the leg, just know that you're connecting to these things here inside that buttocks area. These are not going to go in this angle or anything. It's on an angle over here. It's just going to connect over here to the side here. We'll understand this in a little bit. Okay, so know that where this is curving in, right? Okay, so now let's understand what happens to this from the side here. So that muscle that we just looked at, so this is that area for that bone where he's connecting, right? We're looking at the outer right here. So here's where that area was for that bone. So this muscle, we're going to be able to see him from the side here, and he's going to be like this, okay? And he's going to come here in the back over here. So he's going to be like this. And he's going to attach to the fibula, just like this. So knowing that he's a muscle over here, and then this just becomes a tendon down over here. So we'll just erase this and clean this up a little. Okay, so he's going to go from here like this. So he's a muscle over here, right? And he just connects to the fibula over here, just like so. Pretty easy to understand. So that other muscle that we looked at, which was here from the inside, we just need to understand what happens in the inside now. So from the inside, it's just going to be very basic, understanding that these muscles are obviously going to go here in the back, like so, and they all connect over here, just like this. Okay, they're all coming together over here, and these are like tendons. And that first muscle that we drew, he's just like this, going like this in the back, and that other muscle is just like the other one, just like that bicep. And he becomes a tendon over here. So all these things here, let's clean this up a little, that how they become these tendons, right? They're connecting to the tibia over here, and when we get into the muscles, we understand what's going on over here. Just like this. Okay, so it's very close to the bone area over here, right? Because you know that you can feel that. And that muscle is going to be a little overlapped over here. It just goes in like this. Okay, so one other thing that we want to cover here is that going back to this muscle, right? The other thing that we have to also state that it also, this tendon, this white stuff here, it's going to cross over like this on the front of the leg here, right? So meaning that when he does that, he's going to push these out over here like so, and then this is going to get pushed, and it's like a strap, and this is going to bulge out a little. Then you're going to get into those knee joints over here. So meaning from the front, he's going to do the same thing. Where these muscles were, that strap is going to come like this and go in the side over here. Okay, and this is what gives you that definition on the leg here. So he's like this as a strap from the front, and then you'll get your knee joint over here, and this is what pushes this stuff up. Okay, so next we'll move on to the next muscle. I hope you join me for that. Thanks.